The range is not being good to me today. First, there's this. This rope got hung up on that little islet over there. That one, right there. Yeah, here's a close-up. And now I'm trying to pull in my target, and boom, the whole thing just comes crashing down. Look at this. Yep, here I am trying to put it back together, but no, not happening. Then, on the pistol side, the target decided just to fall off. I can't get to it. I gotta pack it up and go home. Outside my range, it always sounds like someone's vacuuming with an industrial vacuum cleaner.